Well, hello. Welcome to our decorating a vlog. We have not started decorating at all yet. I have no idea if this video is going to be crazy long, crazy short. Half the time I feel like Christmas decorating for us takes so long. It's like 2 days, so we'll see if we even get all this done today, but I'll get it all in this video. That much I can tell you for sure. Usually this kind of video we put on Tyler's channel, but we are putting it on mine because he's got tons of videos, like our Disney vlogs are coming up, and really usually our vlogs are over there, but he has so many like edited and ready to go live that we figure, we'll put this one on my channel. So if you are not already subscribed to him, definitely do so. It's Tyler Travels TV. I will put his link near the top of the description box because we are doing Vlogmas this year, and every other day will be on his channel. So day 1 will be on mine, day 2 on his, and back and forth. So subscribe so you don't miss any of them if you like this style. Oh, Tyler has pulled out all of the stuff.
We got some Christmas lights on clearance last year at the end of the season, and now I'm trying to figure out where they are so I can decorate outside.
I don't know where we put them actually.
I think this might be them.
Oh yeah. Tyler's got the tunes going. I forgot well, I love candles, but we like burn them for the month of December, and if there's like a good amount left, we just put it away for the next year because we figure, we'll enjoy it more at Christmas time than we will after. So we have quite a few. We've had like some of these for like 2 years. I wonder if they even still smell. And I think I got some like after Christmas sales. Oh, yum. Mr. Braun at work.
Playing out here too. We have music inside and outside. But I try to keep it a little quiet because I'm like, it's Christmas music, but I don't want to annoy the neighbors.
Yeah. Well, maybe they don't all celebrate.
Exactly. So we got these at Costco. And look at this. I mean, I'm 6 feet tall.
Yeah,
and it's
that's
as tall
like...
as I am. These things are huge. And we literally saw them in Costco. And we're like, we have to buy these. These are absolutely beautiful. This is what they look like, or will look like.
Yeah, our little family. So cute. I'm excited.
But it's perfect because
everyone on our street.
Mom, Dad, Gigi. Anouk says, what? Oh,
where's
tea. I can hear our tea water.
Oh, crap. Okay, be back. So, this is the kind of tea we're going to have while we decorate. It is Yuletide Toddy. We bought this while we were on our little road trip to Michigan at a cute little shop. So I'm excited to have that. We've got some little holiday mugs. I don't remember where we got these last year, but I love them. They're my favorite ones we own. The current state of affairs in this room. Okay, so that took a while. We still need to get the star on top of the tree. I was struggling with it and gave up very quickly, so I'm gonna let Tyler do that. And he's still working outside. The tree is done. Like I said, not super designer, but it's just what we do. And then I didn't do this last year. We had so many of those ornaments left over that I wasn't using. So we just put them in this bowl, and then these we actually picked up at a garage sale. By the way, this giant thing of ornaments we got at Target. I think it was maybe before Christmas because I think we did this to our tree. But yeah, so before Christmas last year, they have those giant ones. So definitely look. I know we got that at Z Gallery on clearance after Christmas. This I got at Bath & Body Works, and then candles, of course. And then, I'm not sure where I got this. Probably like Hobby Lobby. And then this is a vase, and that bowl or a set that we got from a friend a long time ago. So this room, other than the star on top, is done. We've got a puppy that is already being a Grinch. How cute. You can see our tree in the window. Aww. Okay, we've got hot cocoa now. We are in jammies. Fast forward through dinner and Gigi getting a bath. Now Tyler's laying her down. So we've got like, look at this. This might be a 2-day project. And of course, we have elf playing. We've just collected over the years, like friends have given us, or things like our parents were getting rid of that we really liked. Like I think some of these were actually made or painted, something like that, from Tyler's aunt. So just kind of a smattering. Like these, I think I got in the Target dollar spot. Yep, a while ago. Just pretty, just random stuff. I after Christmas, I always get candle holders from Bath and Body Works, and those are really, really cute ones. So we're trying to rearrange the furniture to fit, and so we had to move this over here, and there's no room.
Yeah.
Yikes.
Trying to think, what else could we do?
But we're trying to clear this space for the tree, obviously. Oh my gosh. Hey, I got some of the mantle done, though. I'm sure it'll change 5 times while we keep going, but we've got our 2 T&J ones, and then this is one we just had that we're going to use for Gigi this year because we're probably not putting anything in it because she is 6 months old. Our main tree, Tyler, I feel like you should be wearing this Santa hat.
That's only fair.
How's your hot cocoa? Have you tried it yet?
I didn't because
it's from Aldi's.
Super hot.
It's like dark hot chocolate. Isn't that crazy good? It was like a Keurig kind. Oh my gosh. Pinocchio, we're not filling your little treat ball right now, buddy. You just ate dinner. Yeah.
Did you see we're watching Elf?
Oh yeah, I talked about it earlier. We rewound it though because Tyler
It's
missed
so
it.
funny. I don't think any movie gets me in the holiday mood as much as this movie does. It's crazy.
Day 2. We're gonna deal with this mess now finally, and then we're gonna decorate the tree. I'm excited to have this done. I love having the house decorated, but the process is like half fun, half stressful.
I also think it's much worse to take it down. That's the worst part.
Yeah.
Decorating, I think, is kind of fun. Undecorating, I'm not a fan.
Very merry on birthday. We totally forgot last year that we put lit garlands, so Tyler was just doing that. I'm thinking we could put like bows, since we have like 4 or 5 of them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I did this at my parents' house too.
It's pretty.
I'm like 6 inches short up there, so...
Dang it, we need more
Do
extension
I
cords.
do
Oh, I didn't know we had one.
thing?
I just added this here. Gigi, what you got? You love your Daisy Duck. Okay, it's dinner time, so we are gonna enjoy some pizza, watch the new episode of Bob's Burgers, and then Gigi's already asleep, which is fantastic, because then all that's left to do is decorate the tree, which I will show you guys. Also, I had to show you, we got these like cheap little plates that you can't even dishwash because they're like, they will get ruined, I'm sure. I wonder if it says dishwasher safe. Yeah, hand wash only. We got these at the Target dollar spot maybe a couple of years ago. And they're just cute. Of course, when Gigi's actually eating food by like next Christmas for sure, these would be perfect for her, but we are going to use them for our pizza today. So we're already done decorating by the time you're seeing this clip, but I'm doing this kind of midway. This is this thing, I think I bought it on Hotelook for like half off. I'm assuming it's from the, yeah, treekeeperbags.com, but they always have them on Hotelook for half off the price, so don't buy it full price. But it literally holds ornaments, and we'll usually keep our tree skirts in here, and then we'll hold the ornaments in here, and there's multiple layers. So like this, I just lifted out. But there's, I think, 3 layers deep, and there's little handles where you can pull it, and there's another layer under it. So it keeps all of your stuff protected because these are obviously super fragile, and you don't have to feel like you have to wrap every single one because that takes forever. But we keep a lot of the packaging of special ornaments too, depending on the one. But yeah, just thought it was worth mentioning because it is one of my favorite storage things we own. So it's time for the tour. I have my hot cocoa that's almost gone. I put my scarf on because I felt like
super
it was
cold. Mine was like ice cold.
And I felt like my scarf was festive-ish. I mean, it's, okay, just bear with me. So Look at this candle. It's bent. Anyway, so this room. Okay, we'll try to do this quickly because I'm gonna drone on.
Okay.
So, this, there, that, there. This we got, like, again, everything we buy on clearance. Actually, these candles are kind of they're torn up in little spots. We don't actually light it, but there's like spots that are torn off from just being stored and stuff. But I love the look of that. And this is actually, we just repurposed a regular little, like, not trivet, but like placemat that we have. And then, like I said, we have candles everywhere. Got little Hershey Kisses over there.
TJ Maxx, remember I got that at TJ Maxx and I was really excited when I got it.
Again, and another thing we do, oh yeah, is like these candlesticks or candle holders we use year round, but we'll just change out the actual colored candles, which is kind of fun. We could even do that, Tyler, for like
We
Halloween.
do for like Halloween, yeah. We have like witch candles.
Why didn't we put them in that? Oh.
We put them in the family room.
This is one of my favorite rooms. Our star's a little crooked, but Tyler finally got up. It's like, why can't they design a better design for putting something on top of a tree? Don't ask me what to do because I don't know, but engineers, please, somebody invent a better star. But I love this room. This kind of like recently like came together. Last year, I remember, I mean, it was our only other year we've had Christmas here, but like it all just kind of came together on a whim. And we've really gotten into putting these balls in the, okay, Tyler, in the bowl. I think it's really pretty. We did it in another room too. We'll show you in a sec, but we got our little,
I call this our classy Christmas room. Like Michael Scott.
It's
classy
simple.
Christmas.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's silver and gold.
Silver and
Thank
gold.
you.
Oh, I didn't know what to do with that. I forgot I left that there. Did you put it there?
I didn't put it there.
I don't like it there, actually.
I don't
But
either.
these are just like little spode Christmas tree things that we don't ever actually use. We just like.
Yeah, it's
Maybe
like
I'll
a
just
teapot,
put this down
right?
here.
It's
Wow.
got like cream and sugar in it, and that's a teapot.
Anyway, this might be my favorite room. Our entryway. He lit the little stairs up, and then I put some little bows. Actually, I think I need to move that middle bow down one peg. But, and then I love this. I can't wait to have all these candles lit. It's late. We were going to light them, and we were like, no, we're going to bed after this.
Yeah, blow right back out.
But I love that. And then we always put our little Santa hat on our little hat rack. High security camera. Merry Christmas. We got a lot of those. Okay. Kitchen, we didn't do a ton with. Like, we have a little bit over there, some like penguins. This we're going to fill with either Christmas potpourri or pine cones. We usually will buy a bag of pine cones.
Ones.
Yeah, we'll buy like a bag of pine cones and like disperse them into different things and keep them for like about 2 years, right? When you say they keep the smell about 2 years, and then by year 3 they're not, so we usually toss them. But so this is the year we would need to buy new ones, but I don't think I want to buy a big bag this year. I think I just want enough for that.
Should fill that up, yeah.
Yeah, because
But
they're
they
like
smell
cinnamony.
so
You can put
good.
cinnamon sticks. Yeah.
But here, look, I'll show you. My my aunt painted these. There's actually several things that she painted. So she painted that, and then she painted those little guys there. But she is an amazing artist.
That is, I still am like floored by that. I can't even like fathom.
I mean, she buys them like, I mean, I don't know if they're just white or just like wood or whatever, but she paints them, and I don't know, it's amazing to me.
This is like chocolate milk at this point.
That's true.
Anyway, so almost done. So just
We usually
sparkly-
have kitchen towels, by the way, but they're in the washer.
They need to be washed because we actually, quick pro tip, we usually will take those towels and wrap, like any of our Christmas breakable things when we're storing it throughout the year, we'll wrap them in those towels. But by the time we take them all out, they're all crazy. They need to be washed. But we had some extra colored lights, so I put them all around. And then I think your mom got us this, Tyler.
Yeah.
It's little like wine glass holders that looks like a tree, or markers.
Yeah, you put them around the base of the wine glass, and
So
then
you know
everybody's
what
got a different
comes
color.
Yeah. And then some Hershey Kisses, and then this. I can't find all the little pieces. There's little pieces you hang each day, but they're like all the pieces are missing.
I don't know where
That was another one I bought on Look Bravo. And then this I showed you guys earlier. I love. So that's
Balsam
there.
and spruce is like one of my favorite smells.
Oh, that yeah.
But yeah, my aunt also
yeah.
painted these. Thanks, Aunt Melinda.
They're amazing.
They're unbelievable, and they're like my
We've
favorite
had them
Christmas
out every
decorations.
year.
Oh my, yeah, prominently displayed.
Most importantly, the nativity scene. I think my mom gave us all of this. I think like she gave us this one year, this set, and then she like found this another year, something like that. It's perfect. Another favorite area of mine. I just think it's so cute. I'd love to, if we could find these stockings again, get a G for Genevieve
I think we got them
instead of
at
this.
Target.
I think so too, and I think we got them like last year or something like
We
that.
need to get a pea too.
Full panot.
He
I
always
figured
gets-
this could be his.
He always gets
chipped.
bones and stuff.
We also would like to get a matching set of these. We have like a smattering of things we've gotten throughout the years, so that's kind of on my shopping list, like pre-Christmas shopping list, is to get a matching set, and then we'll probably just donate these to whoever needs them. And then I love that Santa.
Yeah.
He's
My
so
friend
beautiful.
Brian gave that to us.
Yeah, he gave us a lot of things.
Yeah.
And the deer
the
I showed
deer.
you again, but look, oh my gosh, I'm embarrassed. And then our tree we showed you, but oh, that angel is leaning. See, again, bad design. That's slightly better though because it's a wide base. And then we got some more. Didn't your Aunt Melinda paint these as well?
The Mises.
The Mises and the Mooses. Moosin'. A boxin' of donuts.
And then I feel like we had these, and they were
Everyone
my
has
grandmother's,
these.
and your mom has them too, right?
Yeah. Like,
Yeah.
why? Where was the set bought? Some
That
year that
everybody has
everyone
them.
owned them.
And by that
Well,
I
it was
mean
made in
both
China.
of our families. So
But that's enough to feel crazy to me. Like, that's crazy to me. We got this old Santa your grandparents
yes,
owned. Whoa.
when I think about Christmas as a kid, this is what I think about.
I think we talked about it a lot in Vlogmas last year.
Yeah. So can you turn it on?
Look, Pinocchio did that to the boxes.
I know. I'm so sad.
Little stinker.
I mean, they can just be rewrapped, but
I can't see what I'm doing here.
my grandparents on my mom's side always had this Santa, and they got it at Bronner's in Michigan, and every year it sat right inside their front door on the floor. And I remember it like I like as a kid, like I sat right next to it. It was so magical.
Isn't
Right,
it funny we all have things like that?
We gotta redo that little present there.
Yeah.
And then it also plays terrible music. We don't normally have it on, but I think.
And then we've got our little, like, we've got a couple of Christmassy...
Did we already talk about how we had to move the furniture?
Yes.
And it's all...
Yeah, assuming the footage was fine. Yeah, we already
Yeah.
talked about it. And
so it's all kind of
it's
stuff.
way too
But what
much
are you gonna do?
altogether. This was us filming our time lapse of decorating. That's pretty much it. We got a little diapery station for Gigi here,
Yeah.
but that has nothing to do with Christmas. Oh, our wreath. Oh, in the bathroom. This we can't put outside because the space between our main door, this is our garage door, but the space between our main door and the glass door is
Like
like
the storm door, yeah.
yeah, so it literally physically cannot fit. Like,
Yeah.
bummer. So we keep it in here, but it's kind of cute because it's festive.
Yeah.
And then we didn't do much of this bathroom because we don't have a ton of room. But we've got a little Santa. We could put a tea light, but I probably won't. And then a candle.
Yeah. That's
that in here.
Did we show outside since it's been done?
Yeah, yesterday I showed what you did, but if you want to go out there, I'll let you go out in the cold.
All right, hold on. So we have these little trees here on either side of our door. We got these last year. Like I said, I need to weigh them down because they fall over all the time. So I got to get like bricks or something there. But then we also got our, what I call our Patronuses, because everything is Harry Potter. So we've got my Patronus, Jessica's Patronus, and Gigi's Patronus. Out here, these little deer. And then you can see our little Christmas tree up there inside the window. And of course, it's hard to see, but we have a little Mickey sign that says Happy Holidays.
So we're going to sign off.
Crocs.
Crocs. We both have Crocs for like when we're quickly walking outside, like to get the mail. We've had the same Crocs for like years. We probably should buy new ones, but it is what it is. So Tyler, it seemed appropriate to do this in front of the tree. Do you feel like you're in the Christmas spirit?
I'm always in the Christmas spirit.
I am
365.
Christmas spirit.
I'm the ghost of Christmas past. I'm the ghost of Christmas future.
Future! Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this is kind of like,
Meh.
like not professional.
We're not professional.
I was going to say, I don't think much that I do is.
I don't think anybody who's subscribed to us is expecting anything else.
They're expecting nothing less than amateur. Anyway, we love you guys. Thanks for watching. And, oh, did we already mention earlier? We're doing Vlogmas this year. You guys are going to be tired of hearing me say it. But I'm going to do day 1 on my channel, then day 2 on his. And we're going back and forth.
Yeah.
So make sure you subscribe to his channel, which is Tyler Travels TV, as well as mine. If you aren't, welcome to the fam. Jam babies for life. Hashtag jam babies. Okay, bye. Merry Christmas.